Haka arpunyo terik mentau benai jemang arjar arpoi kapau grid harungkat berkibor Shillong jongka Lapalang kilalit ai Jingiarap yeki ASHA jongka rinja ki bekentup na Lapalang umpling bat kiwe ki Shillong bamarjan. Kapau grid ka ai kentup yau kau umpniang ata meluo upan bat udai. Habaya kren bat u executive director jongka pau grid u RK Tiagi ulai thu bekendang yai peteng ya keni ke Jingiarap syakitu ki bedonkam ya ke Jingiarap hakum keni kapor ba ki babun ki priu ki kendu jing e. Habaya keren berki ASHA ki penpau ke jing sngongu ya ke Jingiarap ke pau grid.
Kaki sejungi kunki ASHA gi pediang subhai kaneka jingai jong ka power grid namar mar kapor hi syak jarap ini kapor pagi jenjar mengi ki ASHA namar nitip.
This program was for handing over of food packets to residents of Shillong, and district magistrate and headman of this area also came, and it was a very small contribution food items, about 100 numbers, and we have assured them that whatever help they require in future also, so whatever possible we will try to help them. We are we are a company working in all the states, and in all the states we are helping, like wherever our establishments are there, we are trying to help them by donating oxygen cylinders and other things. We have about 110 employees working in Lapalang, and our families are also staying. Items 100 numbers we have given, and this was actually from the Power Grid employees fund, is there welfare fund. So out of that we have purchased and handed over to residents here.